Let's look at one more example of construct confidence interval. So here, construct A 90%, B 95%, C 99% confidence interval using the given information. A random sample of 32 gas grills has a mean price of 630.90 and a standard deviation of 56.70 here. Okay, so through this information we can have a sample mean and total number of sample and standard deviation, right? So we can say n equal to 32 and x mean equal to 630.90 and standard deviation equal to 56.7 here. You know, if you look at here, then I actually make S equal to sigma, right? So if the sample is large enough, which means the sample size is at least 30, we always assume or treat sample and population, the standard deviation is equal to each other. Okay, so the last time I demonstrated 95% confidence interval, so this time I'm going to construct 99% confidence interval. So 90% you can practice later. Alright, so in this case we need to find error first. So error equal to z 99% times sigma over root n. So error equal to z 99%, which is 2.575. So as I told you before, all this value, they're always consistent as long as this is a large sample. So if possible, you better memorize it. So error equal to 2.575 times sigma, which is 56.70 over square root n, so that's 32 here. If you calculate this, you will get 25.8098. okay, therefore now using those information we can construct confidence interval for population data. So u is between x bar, which is 630.90 plus 25.8098, and then also 630.90 minus 25.8090. okay, if you calculate that, you will get 605.0902 and then 655.8098. okay, so that's the 99% confidence interval for this data set. okay.